Hi everybody, it's Linnea with a Whimsy Stamps product reveal for you. Today I have the new Birfday Dragons Stamp Set. This 4x6 stamp set consists of 2 cute dragon images and 6 sentiments. The little cake dragon in the top right hand corner, he measures just about 2 3/4 inches square. And the dragon with the present down in the bottom left hand corner, he measures about 2 1/8 inches by 2.5 inches. I have some inspiration for you using the Birfday Dragons Stamp Set. I paired this one with the sun rays stencil, and I did a bit of ink blending in the background, and I have that little birthday dragon with the present sitting front and center. So if you're looking for some products that would pair well with this, there are a lot of stencils that would go with the Birfday Dragon Stamp Set, and they also pair well with a lot of the dies. I would love to make a card with the Swiss Dots A2 cover die. So this is the product reveal for the Birfday Dragons 4x6 stamp set from Whimsy Stamps.